Are you annoyed because YouTube is not working properly in Google Chrome? Worry not, as we are here to fix it for you. First of all, ensure that you are running the latest edition of Chrome. While you're at it, check for network connectivity issues as well. Once done, try opening YouTube in incognito mode and see if the website is working fine. Open an incognito tab inside Google Chrome and load YouTube. See if the website works. Next, try disabling hardware acceleration. This feature sometimes can cause problems in loading websites like YouTube or Vimeo. To do that, fire up Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Now navigate to Settings and then head over to System. Look for the Use Hardware Acceleration When Possible feature and turn the toggle off. Restart Chrome and see if YouTube is loading properly now. Moving on. Many times extensions also play a gray role when it comes to certain websites not working properly. To fix that, open Chrome and click the three dots. And then head over to Extensions. Disable all the extensions temporarily and check if the issue is resolved. If yes, then one of the extensions is causing the issue. Close them one by one to find out the real one. Lastly, try resetting Google Chrome settings. To do that, open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Navigate to Settings, and then to Reset and Clean Up. Finally, click on Restore Settings to their original defaults, and then Reset Settings. Relaunch Chrome, and this should fix the issue. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.